One and done is this concept that I have used for years when preparing for performances, where I would have whoever the performer was, whether it was me or me and my partners or my students, they had one opportunity, because this is how it is when you get on stage. You have one chance to do your one track, and that's it, you're done. So you just do one and done. And the idea is you're putting the pressure on yourself to bring your best right there immediately in the moment, because it's one performance and then you're done. How you can implement this practice so that you can start learning how to more quickly access that flow state and more quickly feel ready is multiple times throughout the day. Instead of having one 3-hour practice, every 20 minutes, go outside and do a one and done with a different prop, whether or not it's with fire, because, and record it and check out your work and see which ones were the best, see if there's a correlation between time of day, between the props, between the particular songs that you do, switch up the songs so that you have more variety with them, and then take note and do this over the course of a week where, you know, if you would have 3-hour practices over the week, instead of doing those 3 days with 3-hour practices or 2-hour practices, split it up so that, you know, every 20 minutes, because it is like being fresh. Take a screen capture on your phone, which will timestamp of the, like if you're using Spotify, take a screen capture of the name of the track, and the photo that is screen captured will have the time code. So then you can match up the time code of the video with the time code of the screen capture, and then you'll know what the song was. And then you don't have to actually take a physical note, but you'll know what's what.